The sky last night was positively gothic. I just felt like driving down this long road, I was going into a moody section of a film. There should be a flashback or something. Basically, it was just a cool drive. That's really all I had. I've been having a lot of trouble lately with the time change. I never seem to be up early enough to get sunrises. Oh wow, I would really have a problem with time if I was doing it that way. I'm almost never up early enough to do sunrises because they last for like 20 seconds this time of year. And the sun sets around 5:30, and I never seem to be ready for that either. So it's just it's a lot of hit and miss. I have to say I was disappointed to not get somewhere where I could photograph the sky, so I decided to just make the best of it. So that's what I got. All in all, it was not a very interesting day, but it wasn't stressful either. There is something to be said about driving into a gloomy sky in your car when you got nothing else to do.